in the middle. Suarez, back for Messi, off his chest. Messi! He just continues to impress. A goal in both legs.
So this is a big step for Jamaican football. What does this really mean for the Jamaica Premier League, for the youngsters in Jamaica who are looking to play football, who wants to turn to football as a career? But what does that all of that mean? What does it really mean? There's so much things happening at this present moment in football, specifically in Jamaican football, and I think this is actually coming at the right moment, the right exact moment. And I have to say, at this present moment, I'm very delighted to be a part of it, to be witnessing this. I'm really happy just to be witnessing this. I'm happy I get the opportunity to be able to have the potential of seeing Lionel Messi at the National Stadium. Now, one, people are going to say, this is what the general, many persons are going to say, why people are coming to see Messi and not their local team. I don't think nothing is wrong with that. Personally, I don't think nothing is wrong with that. One, I've seen Cavaliers like week in, week, every single week. I sit and watch Cavalier play every single week. So there's nothing surprising. There's nothing new about seeing Cavalier. It's not that I'm excited for them, but I'm not really excited to see them because we see them every week. But I'm excited to see them partake in this competition. I'm also excited to see the opponents that they're going up against, which is a high caliber opponents. But there's other aspect of this that I'm very much excited about. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Big up yourself, smash like button, hit subscribe button. Hope you guys are doing good and everything is okay. This is not just football. This is an opportunity for the footballing personals in Jamaica to come together. Whether you like Messi or not, whether you're a Ronaldo fan or not, this is a perfect opportunity. This is the perfect opportunity to be able to see one of the greats of the greats play or go against or play in front of your two eyes. Them possibilities are. No, many persons already write off Cavalier. Be your 10 love me or 5 love me or 7 love. The amount of love or Cavalier I get. I don't think them are getting enough love from the local supporters for this achievement alone. But the amount of love me tell them I get. No, for me personally, football is an unpredictable sport. I for one really hope that this go in favor of a close enough scoreline for the first game. Close enough, like maybe a 3-1, 2-1, you know. If not, Cavaliers probably put a shaka. No, I do think a lot of persons' memory would have tracked right back to Cincinnati. And truthfully, we know that they go. We know exactly how that they go last time. But at the end of the day, we would have understand the situation that happened at Cincinnati, the weather condition, and all these factors. Those things matter. But we have now a more experienced team. A team would have been traveling over the time period and playing international football. A lot of these players have played international football. So this environment is nothing new to them. An hostile environment or not, going up against quality players, this is nothing new to them. Yes, they will see Messi, see this player on the pitch and like a bit of shell shock, but I don't think that will get the better of them. I really don't believe so. I do believe that they have that level of maturity. It's not like me. if in come at Jamaica, I got on fool, yeah, don't tell already say they don't know anything already, you know? Me never gonna say it. But anyways, they are professionals. They should be professionals. They should operate in a professional manner. Well, I will be at the stadium under the capacity of a journalist or a reporter or whatever. So maybe I have to go be it in a professional manner. And we can make just this time, just this one day, just this one day, just this one day. Anyways, don't follow me. So Jamaica is gonna witness. I think the world is gonna witness. Seeing a Cavalier team, one of the youngest team in the competition, one of the youngest team to ever win their first division, and this is historic. This is a brilliant moment for Mr. Speed, the Cavalier Club, the players. This is a big opportunity for them to showcase the talent that Jamaica have. Now, this is very much important to me. Let me tell you why this is so important to me personally. Why it's so important to me. Solely because you have to remember that I'm a huge advocate for Jamaican footballers. Huge advocate for Jamaican footballers. I'm not saying that Jamaican footballers are the best of the best. No, I'm not saying that. I'm also saying that they aren't the worst of the worst according to how a lot of persons talk. They are not that. And this is an opportunity for them to showcase that they aren't the worst of the worst, as though many people make it seem. Now, this game can go on, and can get a battering. 5, 6, 7, 8, according to all the nils them what people expect, or people here say got. And the normal rhetoric will come up, say, Jamaican baller, then ready, Bush League, this, JPL, all that kind of something. Just in general, because we psychologically, many of the Jamaica Premier League supporters, the persons who week out, week in God games, the players, them, coaches, everybody who surrounds Jamaican football, already geared in mind to hear these rhetorics, to hear these narratives. They've already mentally geared in mind. I can tell that people, I've spoken to people, well, me not the circle, so I know I go in that circle. But the other aspect of that is, in the event, this is a positive result. All these persons will come with a narrative. We don't even biz about them, the persons. We want to see what the world thinks about our talent. Look right across the globe, right across the world. You see so much Jamaicans playing at the highest level. Leon Bailey, Kyle Dixon, John Richards, Ronaldo Cephas, Shaman Nicholson. So there's a plethora of players. Norman Campbell, Kenroy Campbell. There's a plethora of players we can name out. Me never got. I was mostly using the players who come through the Jamaican structure. I was mostly using those players, the players who come through the Jamaican structure. We do have other talented players like Kemar Roof, Mikel Antonio, Demar Gray. We do have other talented players like that. But I'm just using players who come through the Jamaican structure. The expectations are that the players who come through the Jamaican structure should be at the same level of the players who other players. And I don't think so. I don't think so. There's so much factors which cause us not to be in the same category. Resources, coaching, all that type of something. Most times this one Jamaican player will excel that well. It's just pure talent. It's just pure unbelievable talent that push them that far. Pure talent. Yeah, we know the willpower and the fight and the mentality. We know all that. But for them to even get the perfect example, Liam Bailey. Huge willpower behind Liam Bailey's I'm pushing on. But Liam Bailey was just born talent. He's just born to play ball. And he got the opportunity under the tutelage of Craig Butler, what forced him into the hierarchy structure of the footballing pyramid. Which I've said that's not normal. That's not really normal. So if you see that happen, and then now to see the talent itself, I said there's so much more of these type of talents in Jamaica, unable to get that push, unable to get the platform to display that our showcase the talent that they have. So this is huge. No, where the preview is concerned, let's get into the preview. All right, so we know. So long we take this out and get into the preview. So we know what to expect in this game. I think most persons would understand or expect to see the Inter Miami team relatively going to remain the same or similar to what we saw versus Kansas. Is it KC Sporting or Sporting KC? I had a picture of the starting 11. I think I have a picture of their starting 11. Let me see if I can find it. No, I don't have it. But you know, the regular, the Jordi Alba, the Busquets, the Ian Frey, um, the Messi, the Suarez, all these guys are looking to turn up for this game, especially specifically. Guys would have heard that basically Inter Miami rest Messi for this game specifically. But what is it that Cavalier is going to bring to the table? Now, this is the interesting one. What exactly is it Cavalier is going to bring to the table? Now, Cavalier they have a really good coach in Rudolph Speed, a coach who will learn, a coach who willing to understand and adapt. Now, what exactly is his plan for this game? Will he sit in one low block and try to defend it as best as possible, or try to keep the game as close as possible? Or will he go all out attacking versus Inter Miami team? Very, very dangerous to do so, extremely dangerous to do so. But the option is there. The option is very much there. This is also a big opportunity for Richard King to display his quality. And I do think that a lot of persons many persons, a long time people that say Richard King needs to come out of Jamaica. That he's one of the players they want. Like, everybody can agree on that. That Richard King should not be even playing in the JPL. 100%. I think like everybody can agree on that. But this is the perfect opportunity for him to display that level of class, quality, control, composure on a higher platform in front against quality opponents. Now, I see a lot of persons saying that if Cavaliers can't tap Arnett Gardner or these guys from the local league from scoring, all Cavaliers are going to stop these type of guys. And that is football. Because at the end of the day, we need to understand in football is this, right? You see a big team go up against a small team and struggle to score. And then you see a big team play against the next big team. You follow and you can back them up. And you wonder what happened. Because that is football. That's just how it is. Sometimes the small team can just have a damn good day. You just need that. You just need a damn good day to display what you can. Expectations from Inter Miami, I do expect Messi to be heavily involved. If it's a beatdown, Messi will be heavily involved. If it's a close margin, Messi will be heavily involved. So fly high, fly low. It's all about Messi. It doesn't even make sense that you play to try and stop Messi. That doesn't make any sense. That's actually, you basically damage your own self when you do that. It's more so limitations. Stopping from get the ball. Stopping the supply. Player like that is supply and demand. Want to stop a supply to him, which is not really, you can't really do it often because sometimes it's in Japan, even in between, as far as close to the defenders them. And then what you do after? What you do this? So? Unless I can have somebody man mark him whole game. Probably have Dwayne Allen just anywhere and go. If you come off, I feel with him. But Cavalier is concerned. Giovanni Leng, I thought alongside King, maybe they go for a back three. We might say Leng, King, maybe drop back Watson this time, just maybe for the defensive solidity. Or probably Watson staying in the middle of the park. Or drop back Watson, defensive solidity, and play something there as well. And play Allen in the middle of the park. But we know Busy is going to. This is an opportunity as well for Busy to showcase his skill. One of the players, I think personally, one of the best players in the JPL. So this is a perfect opportunity for him to showcase his skill set. I think Busy will be heavily involved. Christopher Yensworth will be also a good opportunity for Christopher Yensworth at 19 and 20. He turned 20 yet? I don't think he turned 20. Yensworth, I must say 19, yeah. 19-year-old Christopher Yensworth. I think it's a good opportunity for him to display also the quality of. So I do think that it's going to be interesting. Now, interesting aspect of Cavaliers is that they are very, very fast. So Calvin and Stein will be really, really crucial in how they approach this game. Defense down low block and get the ball over the top. Hit them on the counter. Jordi Alba, him up in the age, he might not as slow as one time. But what certainly know is that they might play a high line. So you put Stein on them and in the channels there. And you also can go on. So maybe that can work. Maybe something can do for that. Just maybe that can do something. We don't know. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be really, really difficult. But for me personally, it's just the opportunity for them to showcase what they can do. And for me, I'll be pleased with what if I'm not pleased that I would just be pleased just them going out and giving a proper account of themselves. I'll just be pleased for that. Just going out there and giving a proper account for of themselves. So that's be interesting. Anyways, I'm not gonna make this any longer. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Prediction. You know what? Me back my team. Me back the Jamaican team. Cavaliers 1, Inter Miami 1. Yeah. Make it close. Come back home, come deal with it. Yeah, people are gonna laugh off of me after this, but I don't care. Me back my team. Me back my team. Not an really team of support, but Jamaica. Them represent Jamaica, so me back it. This is a Jamaican thing, people. Remember that. Big up on yourself, MG Sports TV. Road. God bless. Boom. You know what I mean? Outside.